Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will show you on how you can go ahead and add your PayPal money to Google Pay. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. This is plain and simple, so let's jump straight into the video. First things first, you want to head over to the official website, which is pay.google.com/about, and inside you will be able to see the huge blue button called Set Up Payment Methods. You want to go ahead and click on this button, but if you cannot go ahead and see this option right here, you want to firstly log in your account. Now, once inside this page, it will then take you to the payments of your account section. And inside you have things like your number inside right here, and you also have a lot of payment methods that you have previously used in your Google account. Inside, you want to click on add payment method, and in here you will be able to select PayPal. Now unfortunately, here's the thing. PayPal payment method is not available for every country. It is only available for US and Germany. So if you're outside of those countries, you cannot go ahead and use PayPal in Google Pay. If we go ahead and open up this page right here about wise.com, and if you scroll down enough, you will be able to see that you have to open the Google Pay and you have to go ahead and select PayPal. Now, so guys, if you're one of those countries that doesn't have PayPal as the options inside Google Pay, you can just go ahead and add your credit or debit card. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.